Okay guys, I'm here again for tonight for vlogging this area. One of my favorite place in Esteban, especially this and this. When we started to moving the house, I miss this. So this the Sobeys, Sastel, and the front of new cafe in the mall, Dollarama, and Tim Hortons. So it's dark now and windy. Nice weather until tomorrow. See, with new stoplight. Before I left this area, now we're moving in Third Street. So I miss this park, especially when I was boring in the house, hot weather. I'm always here, going at Tim Hortons before and after to work or lunch. It depends. When I was working in roofing, so now there's a big changes after moving the house because of different ways. So I'm not always here. I'm coming here always in Dollarama just for buy a basic needs on the important needs. So it's closed again. All my basic needs to buy tomorrow again. So that's life. If you do some blogging important for sharing thoughts, memories, and experience in blogging. This is it. The Liquor House. If you want to unwind, relaxing, plus pressure this night, it's up to you. See, with the new road, concrete road. See, nice. It's big different when I was left this area near close in the house before in the apartment. I'm always there at Tim Hortons. So I thank God finally I'm quit in Tim Hortons because I'm bored, especially when there's a Wi-Fi before. I always there standby, so I'm very tired until closing at night. I'm always there. So maybe there's a say, no permanent in this world. See, I'm always in Dollarama for my basic needs, all-time favorite because it's cheap and the no frills. So that's all guys for tonight before I go home because I need to sleep for work tomorrow. Okay, even slow. Okay. The new cafe until now not open. The main gate of the mall. Think is enough for now. The Canadian Tire. See, it's dark, windy, cold a little bit because almost summer. 28 or yes, 28 by tomorrow. So nice weather the whole day. Okay, we need to work for the bills. So that's life. Life must go on. Even not busy. Work, work, work. So guys, maybe I'm only here now. This is my final vlogging for tonight. After the content of my vehicle topics tips. So Only I can say good night. Babush.